Hi, Kimberly. I'm sorry you're frustrated. I'm sorry you felt that your daughter would be going further, but a lot of it's not your fault. I work a lot different than a lot of therapies. The biggest problem is they get stronger. The more strength, cup of coffee or whatever, like or even like this, that they're not too strong. Function muscles are supposed to, which is your skill. So depending on conversation that gets tonus, and then there's a muscle, and that gets thrown because they don't have the tone. Really bad analogy at my age is like body work, right? See, like I'm not going eventually, but obvious tonus. The muscles. I'm working. I have good skin tone as a brag. Preach, right? Now the reason that she has suture is the sorry to use those words. So one of the things over her system. So the cop, right, is non-apparent midline interruption. Processes can't go. That's what mosaic pigeon like. But so the big one is her transitional fours. That's why she can't standing, and that's visually for going distance. So that's where we have to replay for you. Visually, I need to know or understand her vision. She can't process vision, and I need to know where I know she's like, first of all, dealing with. All right, so we have her head, but say to even think about be a bit more Yes, you have the comments, and I'll do a second. Pick it up there and see where she's a convergence. What they do this, right, where she can look over her system. She just has an intermittent birth, and that's they wreck the suture. You have a suture, and you have what's going on there. Why her eyes are awful. That epnoid. Where she's also or again contact lens. For a lot of different reasons is with the palsy. I have a lot of kiddo paralysis. So when you do the pre-standing cord, the ability for her to again, she's on her system, closing her eyes completely, the eyes to me. This is hiccup, right? To then go because that's we're gonna if we everybody right. So vision off because the is it that, but the videos you posted, that's the biggest hiccup. Big bone strike going into there, but it's with the eyes. Like I said, within the go on that. Everything's off her visual script.